Huh? What's that? Wait a minute. Is that trash? Maybe I should teach you guys about how to stop littering and what it affects on animals and nature. Let's start. Here's a small presentation about TeamSeas, all created by me. Extra art in the background is from Pinterest and Google. So what is TeamSeas? TeamSeas is an organization helping up clean our world's oceans. Some of the money goes to hiring volunteers and some goes to these trash-eating machines. We will go over 4 ways it affects our animals and environment. Number 1, entanglement. If you are a squirmy, please go to the pinned comment and see what time frame you can skip to. Many animals die these days because of entanglement. Fishing nets, they get caught up in these, and here are some pretty upsetting pictures. Some get stuck in these piles of trash and will eventually die. Whether a boring fish, which I still think fish are cool, or one of your favorites, a dolphin or a sea lion. Number 2, effects on animals, consuming the waste. This is a bottle cap, and this is Greg the bird. Greg is not smart enough to know that this is a bottle cap and it's plastic and it's not edible. He does not think this is trash, it is really dirty and not edible. If I eat it, I will get sick. So, of course, curious Greg will walk over and feed it to his chicks. And the chicks die because of that. Or he eats it and he eventually gets sick and die too. Greg is not the only bird nor animal that does this. It happens to a ton of other animals. This is Bluey. One of Bluey's favorite food is jellyfish, but let's ignore that for now. When plastic bags are in water, they look a ton like jellyfish and definitely to another animal's eye. So Bluey will end up consuming this and he will get sick and die. Number 3, effects on animals, toxic waters. When trash is in water for long periods of time, it starts to get dirty, and which means the water is chemically polluted too. This is Froggy, and he uses his hunter skin like a fish gill because he's an aquatic frog. So he's meant to be getting oxygen from waters when he's underwater. That's what his skin is meant to do. But when these waters are chemically polluted, he is getting toxic waste into his body. So he ends up dying. Number 4, effects on animals, general environment. It can affect our whole entire environment, whether it's a forest or a desert. But how? First, we're gonna start off with the ocean. You know nature has its own built-in food chain, and when these animals are slowly dying from our pollution, the food chain is obviously ruined, and that's not really a good thing, is it? But how does any of this relate to other habitats and the other ecosystem? Well, I don't have a picture for this next one, so just stare at this black screen. For example, let's go back on land. When one predator population dies out, prey populations overpopulate, and usually any predator will tackle the sickly or old ones, which can prevent diseases spreading from group to group, from herd to herd. The same thing also happens in the ocean. But let's go back to our frog. As a tadpole, this frog would eat mosquito larvae and algae in the ponds. And they can obviously also go up on land too. So if they bring back up these diseases from their toxic waste in the body, animals can catch it. By eating mosquito larvae, it can also help prevent a lot of diseases, since mosquitoes are full with diseases. Tons of humans die every year because of mosquito bites. Presentation is now over. Thank you guys for so much for watching. This actually took me quite a long time, so if you'd like, please like and subscribe, but that is not my main priority here. Please go donate to TeamSeas. Our world really needs it. Just $1 is 1 pound of trash away and out of the ocean, and that's many animals saved. So yes, please donate. The donation link is in the bio of this video and in the pinned comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.